Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is arithmetic progression part 4, last part of arithmetic progression. In this topic we shall discuss about arithmetic mean. What is arithmetic mean? Suppose A and B, two numbers, arithmetic mean between two numbers, suppose this is capital A, this is the arithmetic mean between A and B, then arithmetic mean A equals to A plus B by 2 or B plus A by 2 we can write. That is first plus second by 2, that is arithmetic mean, that is average also. Now let us do few sums including related arithmetic mean. So sum number 1 here, find the value of n if B is arithmetic mean between A and B. So A and B, between A and B, this is the arithmetic mean. We can write question number 1, A to the power n plus 1 plus B to the power n plus 1 over A to the power n plus B to the power n equals to A plus B by 2. Here A and B, between A and B arithmetic mean is A plus B by 2 and this is given. Now cross multiply, implies 2 A to the power n plus 1 plus 2 B to the power n plus 1 equals to this into this. That is A to the power n plus 1 plus A B to the power n, B with this, plus B A to the power n plus B to the power n plus 1, this with this multiplication. So A to 2A to the power n, A to the power n will come left hand side, that equals to A to the power n plus 1, 2B to the power this coming right and left hand side, that is B to the power n plus 1 equals to A B to the power n plus B A to the power n. Now, if this comes left hand side, that is A to the power n is common, that is A minus B equals to B to the power n is common, A minus B. This minus this minus this equals to this minus this left hand side, right hand side. Then take common. You can do. You can take another step. That is A to the power n plus 1 minus A B to the power n. B to the power n. B A to the power n equals to A B to the power n minus B to the power n plus 1 implies A to the power n is common, that is A minus B. Here B to the power n is common, that is A minus B. Then this and this cancel, that is A to the power n equals to B to the power n. That implies A to the power n by B to the power n is 1. That implies A by B whole to the power n equals to, we can write A by B whole to the power 0, because this 3 number to the power 0 is 1. Now comparing with this, that is n equals to 0. Then value of n is coming 0. Okay. Next, sum number 2. Between 1 and 31, insert m arithmetic mean. Suppose A1, A2, A3, A4 dot dot An. These are the n arithmetic mean between 1 and 31. So there are m arithmetic mean between 1 and 31. Show the ratio of A to the power 7 by A to the power m minus 1 is 5 by 9. This is given. We have to find the value of m. So here in this series, first term A is 1 and common difference of this series, common difference D equals to 31 minus 1 by B minus A by 31 minus 1 by m plus 1. M number of terms, that is m plus 1. Common difference of this series. Common difference is last minus a first by m plus number of terms is mean is m, that is m plus 1. Such as I am telling here, a and b, that is capital A. The number of mean is b minus a by 1 plus 1. The common difference is this. So here this is the value of b, common difference of this series. So here a to the a7, that is 7th arithmetic mean is 1, 2, 3, 7th arithmetic mean there is in this a4, a5, a6, then a7, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8th term, a7 is t8th term. A7th term, the arithmetic mean 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th term, that is a plus 7d. That is a is 1 plus 7 into d value 30 by m plus 1. That is m plus 1 plus 210 by m plus 1. That is m plus 211 by m plus 1. That is a7 is m plus 211 by m plus 1. And a m minus 1, that is tm, because just like previous one, a m minus 1 is before am, that is tm start from first one tm, that is a plus m minus 1 into b, that is 1 plus m minus 1 into b value we know 30 by m plus 1, that is m plus 1 plus 30m minus 30 by m plus 1, that is 31m minus 29 by m plus 1. 31m minus 29 by the problem we can write using this condition, we can write m plus 211 by 31m minus 21 equals to 5 by 9, because this over this m plus 1 cancel, 5 by 9. Now cross multiplying 9m plus 1899 equals to 155n minus 145. That is, then coming left hand side implies 155m minus 9m equals to this minus this 1899 plus 145. That is 2044. Do subtraction 155. 146m equals to 2044. 146 equals to 2044. Then m equals to 2044 by 146. Value of m is coming, cancelling 14. Value of m is coming 14. So m value is 14. That is the value of m. Okay. Next, sum number 3. Question number 3. Before doing question number 3, you have to know special sequence. That is, let Sn equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot n. Sn. And another Sn is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot n square. Another Sn equals to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 to the power 3 plus n to the power 3. So here this equals to, we can write n into n plus 1 by 2, Sn এর formula, and value of this series is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, and value of this is n into n plus 1 by 2 all over whole square. So Sn sum of this series, the formula sum of this series 1, 2, 3 dot 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 n into n plus 1 by 2, and if you have the square of these natural numbers n into n plus 1 into n plus 1 by 6, and cube 1 cube 2 cube 3 cube dot dot n cube is n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula to find the sum of natural numbers. Using this formula you have to do sums. So sum number 3, here Sn is, find the Sn of this series. Here Tn equals to, question number 3, here Tn equals to 1, 2, 3 dot dot n terms into 2, 3, 4 dot 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 n terms into 3, 4, 5 dot 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 n terms. This is the Sn. This is the Tn. Then Sn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is 1 and d is 1. D is 1. N into n plus 1 into d plus. Here a plus n minus 1 into d is 1 plus third is a plus n minus 1 into 1. In this series, nth term of the series a is 1, n minus 1 number of terms into d is this. Here d is this 1, here also d is 1. That equals to, we can write 1 plus n minus 1. This is into 2 plus n minus 1, 3 plus n minus 1. That equals to n plus 1, n plus 2, n square plus 3n plus 2, that is n cube plus 3n square plus 2n. So Sn is this. This is Sn. So this is Tn. This is Tn. So this is Tn. So Sn equals to summation of n cube plus 3 into summation of n square plus 2 into summation of n. Now you know summation of n means 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. That is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, using formula 3 n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 2 into n plus 1 by 2. 3 2s are 6. 2 to cancel. That equals, we can write a common n into n plus 1 by 4. N into n plus 1, n into n plus 1 plus, taking 4 common, this will be 2. 4 into this 2, n into n plus 1 by 4 common, 2 into 2n plus 1. Here 4 is common, that is only 4. Next, n into n plus 1 by 4, n square plus n plus 2n square plus 2 plus 4 equals to n into n plus 1 by 4, that is 3n square plus 2n square plus 3n square plus n plus 6, 5n is 4n, 2n square, 4n square, n square plus n, 4n, this is 4n, 4n plus 2. तो n square plus 5n, n square plus 5n plus 6 equals to n into n plus 1 by 4 using factorize n plus 2 into n plus 3. This is the sum of this series of n terms of this series. Okay, next sum number 5, sum number 4. Here a square, b square, c square are in AP. Prove that this is AP. We have to prove, let this is in AP, we have to put this is AP. Let these are in AP. Let, question number 4, let a by a plus b, a by a plus b, comma, these are in AP, comma, b by c plus a, comma, c by a plus b are in AP. Let these are in AP. We have to put this in AP. Now, if you add both side 1, that is a by a plus b plus 1. If these are in AP, if you add all things, then that will be also AP. That is b by c plus a plus 1. C by a plus b plus 1 will also in AP. AP adding a plus a by b plus c, a by b plus c, a plus b plus c by b plus c, comma, a plus b plus c by c plus a plus b plus c by a plus b will also in AP. Now dividing a plus b plus c from each, then 1 by b plus c, 1 by c plus a, 1 by a plus b will in AP. Then multiplying a plus b plus c in each sides, that is a plus b, b plus c, c plus a, multiply all. So this into this, that will be 1 by this into this, that will be a plus b into a plus c, comma, this into this multiply, that is a plus b, b plus c, and this into this multiply, comma, b plus c into c plus a will be in AP. Multiply these all terms, all numbers, that will be in AP. Multiply again, this is this means a square plus ac plus ab plus bc, comma, ab plus ac plus b square plus bc, comma, bc plus ab plus c square plus ac will be in AP. Now here AB, BC, AC, if we subtract inside, that means A square, comma, B square, comma, C square are in AP. For all numbers, if we supply AB plus BC plus AC, this minus, that is A square, this minus AB plus BC plus AC, that is B square, this minus AB plus BC plus AC, that will be C square. Then A square, B square, C square will be in AP. Okay, next sum number 5. This sum is related with logarithm sums. Here, these three numbers are in AP. We find the value of x. So you know, if A, B, C in AP, then you can write A plus B, A plus C equals to 2B. So here, these three numbers in AP, we can write this plus this equals to twice of this. Here, question number 5, log 2 to the base 10, comma, log 2 to the power x minus 1 to the base 10, comma, log 2 to the power x plus 3 to the base 10, comma, these are in AP. Therefore, we can write this plus this equals to twice of this. Twice of log 2 to the power x minus 1 to the base 10 equals to this plus this. That is log 2 to the base 10 plus log 2 to the power x plus 3 to the base 10. Then power will go up. That is 2 to the power x minus 1 to the base 10 whole square. Log a plus log b formula log ab. Log 2 into 2 to the power x plus 3 to the base 10. Log a plus log b formula log this plus this. Log ab and 2 to the log 2 log x equals to, we can write log x square. That's all. Now equating both sides, we can write 2 to the power x minus 1 whole square equals to 2 into 2 to the power x plus 3. Now 2 to the power x equals to take y. That is y minus 1 whole square 2y plus 3. That is y square minus 2y plus 1 equals to 2y plus 6. That is y square minus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. Now it brings middle term break. Y square minus 5y plus y minus 5 equals to 0. Then y minus 5, y minus 5, y plus 1 equals 0. Then y equals to 5. Y means 2 to the power x. 2 to the power x equals to 5. Taking log both sides, log 2 to the power x equals log 5. Then x log 2. Log 2 to the power x is log 5. Then x will come first. X log 2 equals to log 5. Then x equals to log 5 by log 2. That is the value of x. Another one, y equals to minus 1, which is not possible, not applicable here. Okay, next, sum number 6. Here, these are in AP. Prove that these will be AP. Here given b plus c minus a, question number 6. B plus c minus a by a, comma, c plus a minus b by b, comma, a plus b minus c by c are in AP. If we add 2 both sides, that should be also AP. This plus 2, comma, this plus 2, comma, this plus 2, comma, that will be also in AP. So adding, that is a plus b plus c by a, comma, 2b minus b is b, that is a plus b plus c by b, comma, that is a plus b plus c by c will also in AP. Now dividing a plus b plus c from both numbers, we will get 1 by a, comma, 1 by b, comma, 1 by c are also in AP. That's all. You just to prove, we proved it. Now arithmetic progression portion is finished. From next class we shall do geometric progression, and please make a note of these sums, and if you like my videos please subscribe. Okay, thank you.